So hey guys, welcome back to my Python series, and today we will discuss something about list comprehension. So list comprehension is nothing but it is creating a list automatically by defining a set of rules. So in previous video we built some list by manually typing the items inside it. But in this video we will just use list comprehension, and we will just make a list or create a list by setting some rules. So let's just say we want to build a list of squares of numbers in range of 0 to 4. So let's just type our list, that is numbers. And then again, here inside the square braces, here is our variable x for which we want to find the square. And then again raised to 2. So this exception is nothing but it says x square. And then we want to just make the list of squares of number for range of for 0 to 4. So let's just type for x in range here 5, which means 0 to 4, and let's just print our list, which is numbers. And then when I hit the output button, you can see here in the output 0, 1, 4, 9 and 16 are printed. So this is how here the thing is, this is x square. And again we have written one rule that we wanna just find the square of a number in range 0 to 4. So this is how list comprehension is used in Python. And let's say if we want to find the square of numbers in range 10. So if I just write 10 here, so here you can see squares of the number up to 9 are printed, 0, 1, 4, 9 up to 81. So this is how again list comprehension is used. And let's just say we want to just print the squares of number which are even. So again, right after our for loop, we can type one another rule, that let's just say if we will check that square of number divided by 2, and if the remainder is 0, then only we want our items to be present inside our list. So let's just check again, and here you can see only even numbers are printed in our list. So this is how you can define some set of rules, and you can automatically create a list by using the list comprehension in Python. So check it out, and if you have any query regarding it, you can post it in the comment section.